Hi there, my name's Simon Jonas. I'm the category manager for Optoma Europe, and I'm here at ISE 2020 to talk about IFP. As you can see, what we're doing here at ISE, we're using 4 monitors. 3 of them are interactive flat panels, and 1 is a 130-inch LED screen. And the whole way we're using Reactiv SUITE today is showing how you can use it in a multi-screen scenario, especially for presentation purposes. The Reactiv software suite, in my mind, is very, very easy. After a 10 to 15 minute training session, I felt like I was able to use it comfortably, and by the end of the day of doing repeated demos, I would say that I'm an expert. We've spoken to many of our top customers and many of our top installers, and I must admit the software has really blown people away, especially when they see us using a multi-screen demonstration and pinging content from up, down, left and right. Personally, I haven't seen anything else like this in the market. It's software that really stands out to me, and as I say, the customer feedback has been very resounding and very positive.